Welcome to this month's real estate market update for Stouffville, Ontario. Let's take a look at the February stats and see what truly lies behind the numbers. As always, I'm Steve Yolongo, a real estate broker that has been buying and selling real estate for over 10 years and lives right here in beautiful Stouffville. Let's start off with a quick overview of all home types, followed by a deeper dive into all the subcategories right here in town. The average sale price for all home types in February was reported at $1,322,183. That is up 10.2% compared to January, but down slightly by 1.17% compared to last February. There was 92 active listings reported at the end of February. That is actually 2 less than January. And this month we saw another increase in the number of sales. 55 properties sold in February. That's 8 more than we saw in January. Next, let's take a look at those subcategories. But first, take a second to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you click that notification bell. This way, you will stay up to date with all things real estate right here in Stouffville. All right, back to the stats. First, let's take a look at the condo sector. The average sale price for February was $802,688. That was actually down 3.67% since January, but up significantly by 20.49% compared to a year ago. There are 18 active listings compared to January, and sales went up from January's 7 units to 11 in February. Next up, let's take a look at attached homes. We saw another increase this month in the average sale price. The average sale price of $1,051,393 is up 7.55% compared to January. But unfortunately, it's still lagging a bit compared to last year by about 3%. There were 9 active listings reported at the end of February, and the total amount of sales were reported at 14, which is 2 more than we saw in January. And finally, let's look at the detached home sector. The average sale price for a detached home in Stouffville reported in February was $1,627,323. That is a staggering 17.52% increase compared to January, and a 10.4% increase compared to February of last year. We saw an increase in active listings this month to 65. That is up from January's 54 listings. The number of sales also grew to 30 compared to 28 in January. So why the heck did the average sale price for detached homes in town go up by so much? Well, out of those 30 sales, 4 of them were over $2.5 million. 1 of them was over $3.3 million. And there was even a $4.3 million sale this month. With that many big sales in 1 month, it is absolutely going to skew the average sale price percentage. The good news is that when I backed off those big sales from the equation, we still saw a healthy increase in the average sale price. So lots of positive news this month. Will this continue into the spring market? With the latest announcement from the Bank of Canada, I would say yes. The Bank of Canada has decided to hold the interest rate again and have expressed that their monetary policy is working and that they do not feel that they will have to maintain such a restrictive policy for much longer. As more and more buyers start to acknowledge that we have reached the top and money is going to become cheaper to borrow in the upcoming months, they will undoubtedly be more aggressive in purchasing their new home. As this continues to develop, we will definitely start to see more competing offers on homes and higher sales prices. Stay tuned until next month to see if I'm right or wrong. Thanks for sticking to the end, everybody. If you're interested in a deep dive into the GTA real estate market, check out my video here. With that, have a great March, everybody, and I'll see you on the next video.